Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, half a cup of sugar, 3 large egg yolks, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that lovely aroma. Having everything ready and at room temperature ensures a smooth start to our delicious custard journey. Now, let's combine our ingredients carefully. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch until smooth. Meanwhile, gently heat the 2 cups of milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. To prevent scrambling, slowly pour about 1/4 of the hot milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper it. This step is crucial for that perfect custard texture. Pour the tempered egg mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring continuously with a whisk or wooden spoon. Keep stirring until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon, which usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Avoid vigorous boiling to maintain a smooth consistency. Almost there. Once the custard reaches its perfect thickness, remove it from the heat and stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour the warm custard into a clean bowl. To prevent a skin from forming, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the custard. Chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until completely cold before serving this delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.